Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we're going to find out about sticky stickers. That's right, we are going to pop in here and see what Stickii has for us this month. This is a monthly subscription that is only $12 and $1 shipping. So what, $13 and you can have a whole set of stickers. And we're going to check out this month's sticker that I got in Cute. I have been going back to Cute because I seem to like that the best. You can get vintage and pop, and I'll have photos of those along here somewhere so you can see what I'm talking about. And this month it looks like we have some really cute things. Look at that inside there. We do get a sleeve each month. And in that sleeve, they give us different various things. And this looks like a little sticker book. So if you want to make your own little cards or decorate in a sticker book or make like a smaller journal, you would be able to do that. Now this looks like little sticky notes. This is little notes. So you can put your little stickers on there and decorate it up. That is really cool. And you can write your little notes and then put a few stickers on there for some of your friends when you're sending things out to them. A little specialty note, and or maybe with your children you might could drop a little note in their lunch pail with some stickers on it. Wouldn't that be fun? Now I will tell you, they do give you these sleeves each month, and they do have a binder, which I do have and I use, and I organize all my stickers. And this here is a little, I guess, is that a little fuzzy bear? Yeah, I think it is. Isn't that cute? That's just darling. And then they also have like what I'd call like corner stickers. And that's what this is. And you can put these on the corners tabs of your pages if you're decorating. This is great for like journaling and calendars and stickers in general. It's great for crafting too. And that says milk and honey. So that is our theme, is a little bit of milk and honey, which is kind of nice. I like that, don't you? And let's see what's on this side. We have all of our stickers. So this is a tall sleeve so that you can keep your stickers in. And inside here this month we're going to have a happy birthday card. So they do send you cards every once in a while that you can use for your friends and family. And this is going to have one of those cards that is what I call as a see-through envelope. There's probably a specific name for it, and I don't know what it is. But that is what this is. And then we have a happy birthday card. And on the inside, you can write your notes and decorate it all up with these stickers. And then you have this envelope to send it off in. So I think that is just adorable. And like I said, they do that ever so often. You don't get a card or memo pad in each one. You kind of get different things each time. And that's what we got this time around. And then we have all these stickers. Now let's go through these stickers. They are so cute. We have these here, as you can see, are very shiny. Look at that little puppy dog and the kitties and the little teddy bear, it looks like. And then we have this sticker. Y'all be looking at them. I'm going to ask you which one's your favorite ones. This here looks like a hodgepodge of honey. And I don't know, is that like a honey bear or a little moo cow with the milk, because it's milk and honey? That's what that is. Isn't that cute? And then here, we have lots of little moo cows with milk. Oh, I love that. That's adorable. And then on this one, we have like, I guess, milk and honey for your tea. So they're staying in theme. And then you've got your little honey stick there with honey dripping off of it. I mean, I'm just waiting for Winnie the Pooh to pop in. And then our next one is the bee. So we got our little busy bee that is making our honey for us, just buzzing around everywhere. And look at that pie, yum. And then we have on this one, we have our milk and honey, different flavors of milk and honey with the bees, and that is just adorable. Do you use raw honey? I do. I try to buy local. We have a local lady here named Gloria that has a beehive, and she does it, and we get it from her. But look at this. Now that is cute. This is the little honey bear. So he's out looking for some honey, that's for sure. Oh my goodness, they're all so cute. How can y'all make a determination on which one you like the best? Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. There's our stickers. And I don't know which one's my favorite. I'm going to have to say the Moo Cow is one of my favorites. And the next favorite I'm going to pick, it's going to have to be the one with the puppy dogs on it and the little bears and kitties. I like that one. I like them all, I really do. And it's really hard to pick because I even like these bees. I like the bear. Okay, I'm showing you all again because I like them all. What is your favorite? And here's the one that has the milk and honey. I guess it's like a little bee with an afro. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, guys, I really enjoy this little subscription. And you can save $5 off your first order with my discount code link down in the description. And if you use it, you get $5 off, and I get $5 off my next subscription. But that is totally up to you if you want to do that. I just want to let you know that I do get a little kickback from it, but you get $5 off, which means it would be, I think, $8 with shipping. $5 off 12, yeah, $7 and then $1, and it'd be $7 for your first pack of stickers. And you can get all 3 sets, but they're $12 each. So keep that in mind if you want to get all 3. The vintage are really cool, and so are the pop. But this is a real fun subscription. I like it a lot. They also have a clear binder that you can get. Mine's in pink. They have pink and blue and gold, I think. And you can see I've already got some stickers in there, some butterfly stickers. And you just put them all in here, and I just pack them in here. And now I get to add another page to my book. And this little binder costs $16 on their site. And I thought it was worth it. I think it was $4 shipping. And then so I have this nice little binder to keep all my stickers organized. And you can tell I put other stickers in here besides just the sticky stickers. Some other stickers that I have. And I think it is perfect. And I still have lots of room, and I've gotten about, let me see how many sleeves I have in here that are about full. All of them are full of stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've been getting this for 7 months. And this still has plenty of room to put more in there. So I love it. It's really nice, and it's a nice organization style. And I really love the stickers. So let me know which ones were your favorite. Is it something that you would consider? And I don't know if this is open to the public, but right now they're having what I'd call like a happy birthday sale until the 20th or the 22nd. And you can order mystery boxes right now if you're interested in getting a variety and you just want one box or something and you don't want to, go through a monthly subscription. You can just buy a mystery box, and it'll give you lots of stickers, and it's probably past stickers that have been very popular that are in these boxes, and they're $29.99. You can get, I think, an overall mystery box for $39.99, and that's going to have memos and note cards and all kinds of stationery. So you can check that out, and I bet you can use that $5 off coupon. I'm not real sure on that. It may be for subscriptions only. They have their own rules, and I'm not sure what they are exactly. I know for me, I can only use it and apply it toward my subscription. It does not go to the store. With that said, I would say it's probably more for your subscription. But if you do join up and you want to shop the shop during the birthday sale, you can get an additional 5% off if you are a member. So keep that in mind about Stickii, and be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways or any current things going on and the discount code. And as for Stickii, that's all I have today, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.